As we start a new school year, we wanted to remind you that new entrances were installed at all 8 West Des Moines Community Schools elementary buildings this summer. All visitors must enter through 2 locked doors and access the school through the main office. To support student safety, please follow these steps when visiting our elementary schools. Step 1. Press the intercom button at the main doors. The front office will answer. Step 2. State your name and the reason for your visit, then enter the secure vestibule when the doors unlock. Step 3. Wait in the vestibule for the second door to unlock. This door leads directly into the main office. Step 4. Present your valid state-issued ID for Raptor screening. Valid IDs include driver's licenses, passports, military licenses, Mexico consular ID cards, and permanent resident cards. If you don't have your ID, you can provide your name and date of birth. Remember, Raptor is a visitor registration system that helps track school visitors. The system reads each ID and compares it to the sex offender database. Step 5. Get your Raptor visitor sticker and start your visit to your school. Whether you are visiting to volunteer, join a classroom party, or drop off a forgotten book, we appreciate your commitment to keeping students safe. Learn more about the secure entrances and Raptor at WDMCS.org.